Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, CBG Motorsports. I'm Colin.
I'm Gavin.
And unfortunately, today is our last day before we go back to school. But we decided to take some time out of our last day to make a video. We were originally going to make a video on the Z3, but our grandparents had an emergency with their Cadillac. We're going to repair their struts on the trunk today. And I'm sorry in advance if the camera's a little shaky. Our grandpa's filming and he's an amateur, so. In order to remove these struts, you can either use a small screwdriver or a pick like this. Get under these little clips, pull out. Same with the bottom. If you can come a little closer, Gavin. Get right there. Pry the clip out. And it is the same on this side.
Replacing the strut is very easy. Go to the auto parts store and get the right part for your car. There are no tools required. The other side is exactly the same. And now it won't slam. Well, that's it. It's pretty simple and it takes less than 5 minutes.
It would seem that our grandpa could be able to do it pretty easily, but he can't. So, that's the end of this video. If you like what you see, please like, subscribe, and tell your friends. Your support is very much appreciated.